I am so excited to show you 2940 Club Moss Lane in Avila Beach. This beautiful house is inside the gated community of the San Luis Bay Estates. It's an elevated home on a large parcel encumbered by open space for privacy and sweeping views of all the coastal hillsides. Come check it out. Thanks for taking the time to watch this beautiful video. I'm excited to schedule your private tour of your new home today.